Hi, this is Carl Anderson from MarineMax Charleston, and today we're going to walk through a 2018 230 Vantage from Boston Whaler. So here in the cockpit of the 230 Vantage, first thing I want to display is we have this boat powered with a 300 Verado from Mercury, which is an L6 cylinder supercharged engine. We got two swim platforms here at the transom with rod holders on each side, and you have a nice walk across the transom as well, so you can easily get across from one side of the boat to the other. Here on the starboard side, we have a freshwater shower, along with a transom door. Keep dogs or small children inside the cockpit safely. On both sides, this boat is equipped with the fishing package, which includes tow rails on both sides, a raw water washdown, and a live well, 14-gallon live well, beneath the port side Chaise Lounge. Here to the stern, we have a nice fold-out stern seat. Large access to your bilge area. Corian countertop with a stainless steel rail and a pull-out sprayer, along with a Yeti cooler beneath. To the port side, we have this really versatile Chaise Lounge with adjustable backrests that can lay down flush. You can lounge facing aft, and you can also lounge facing forward. You've got cup holders and a speaker to your port side, in addition to storage beneath the seating. To the starboard side at the helm, we have a flip-up thigh-rise bolster for the captain, along with a couple of cup holders, and this boat is equipped with the JL Audio upgraded speaker system. We already have a 12-inch Raymarine installed at the helm, along with the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Here on the 230 Vantage, we do have a head on this boat. This is a pump-out head. In addition to that, you have a sink with a pull-out sprayer. You have center deck storage. A trash receptacle, windscreen door, and then a really versatile storage compartment with access on both sides. Really comfortable bow seating. There's a picnic table that mounts forward. Also forward, you have an additional freshwater sprayer, and you can do either a windlass anchor or a beach sporting ladder. This particular model is included, or is opted with the windlass anchor. That concludes our walkthrough of Boston Whaler's 230 Vantage. Feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at MarineMax.com. Thank you.